Let's create this amazing Netflix logo using HTML and CSS. We are getting into this. Let's dive into the code. First, open the VS Code you see. Here I will create HTML file and also the CSS file. Now here I will use boilerplate. In the body I will use a div. Class name will be logo. Inside this I will use another div. Class name will be pen. Inside this I will use a span. I'm going to my CSS. The first will be for Netflix, position relative. Now width will be 360, height, overflow will be hidden, transform will be scale 0.8. Next, for the body, let's say the margin 0, link 0. Justify content will be center, and also the display will be flags. A line item will be center. Height will be 100 ph, and also background will be black. Now the next, let's say Netflix and span. Position will be absolute, and also width will be 120 pixel. Top 0, height 100%, background hash, this, and left will be 0. Next, for this background will be also the box shadow will be 40 pixel RGBA. What? Now the next will be Netflix span right 0. Now for the H3, position relative, padding 0, margin 0, text align will be center, font family, sans serif, color white, size 3 em, text transform, uppercase, letter spacing 10 pixels. Next, Netflix, it will be footer, and also the position will be absolute, top 0, left 0, width will be 300%, height 100%, background will be linear gradient to right direction, transparent. The next will be RGBA 000.25, and also the RGBA 0.75. The next will be Z index, and it will be 2. That's all. Reveal in File Explorer. Double click on it, and there is nothing because we have not linked the CSS yet. I link the CSS also, tag.css. Now again double click on the index.html and there we go. And also here I have forgotten one thing, that I write h3 Netflix. I'm going to browser again, reload this, and you can see this is good. This is pretty good. I hope you will have enjoyed this, and if you like the video, press the like button, also press the subscribe button for getting more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video.